Today I'll play a game that is called what? Egg is broken, heart is too. Now people have told me, have been talking again about something. What did I say? That I'm like killing my babies or whatever. I don't lay eggs. 私は卵産まないよ。I don't lay eggs, guys. This is a misunderstanding. I don't lay eggs. I don't lay eggs. No. No, I am not a chicken, so I don't lay eggs. Phoenixes, how do they procreate? Basically, when a phoenix loves another phoenix very much, they get very hot together, and then it gets hotter and hotter, and they start going up in flames together, and then all that's left over is some ashes. But instead of both of them coming back to life, it's not only them, it's 3 phoenixes. So that's how they procreate. Yeah. No eggs, only ashes. Yeah, I personally have not experienced this hot act before. I hope that one day I can, but I've never found another phoenix before that I found a liking in. I wonder if it works with other beings as well, though. I wonder if it only works with phoenixes. How will I procreate with Kali? That's a good question. That's difficult. We'll have to try it out, you know. Try it with other chickens. It will not work. It will not work. I'm a mythical being. I can only procreate with other phoenixes. And in this world, I'm the only phoenix. Okay, anyway, let's get started with the game, I would say. Today game is Egg Broken Heart 2. I have to say, I'm a gamer who doesn't really get aggressive. I stay positive.